So, Stephen, do you go by Stephen? Steve. Okay. So, Steve, tell us about Comptel's announcement with Salesforce.
Yeah, it's been a great announcement for us, where we started working since last year with Salesforce, Salesforce.com, who've got a real good approach to next generation digital services and the approach towards their customers. Their real focus is around service providers becoming customer companies. So they're working to see how the OSS can play alongside their cloud-based CRM to help them do that. So what we've done is we've engaged them to help them complete the lead to activate process by leveraging the Comptel fulfillment platform, which we've now built a fully working demo, which is based on their platform, which we're demonstrating to customers this week. It's getting some rave reviews, where we're really bridging the gap between the CRM and the whole sales process and the actual live real-time activation on the network. So it's going really well for us.
Can you perhaps give me some idea and quantify how that combined offering will help carriers bring products to market and close deals faster?
Yeah, so basically what we're doing is we're enabling the service provider who has got, let's say, an enterprise sales team who goes out to speak with one of his enterprise clients, and on site they can take full mobility with them. So they could take an iPad with them. They open up the Salesforce platform, and when they spec out what the order would be for that particular enterprise, they can validate it in real time against the actual network configuration. So what we're doing is we're bridging the reality gap between what a sales guy could offer to the enterprise customer to what the technical team and the solutions architects can build on the network live. So we're really bridging that gap, which means ultimately, when the order is placed, there's going to be less chance of misconfigurations or incorrect configurations being sent out, which of course rolls on to the whole customer experience issue, making sure the customer's getting exactly what they want that they ordered at that time.
Can you talk about estimated launch dates and how that product will be taken to market?
Yeah, so at the moment we've developed the platform. We've developed the working demo on Force.com. So we've still got to go through the whole certification process with Salesforce to manage to complete the deal. But nevertheless, we're hoping to get that done in the next couple of months, and then pretty much it'll be commercially available. And we plan to go to market with Salesforce on that.
And then in terms of who takes the lead with clients, will it be Salesforce? Will it be you? Will it be SIs? Talk about the go-to-market strategy.
Yeah, we're expecting it to be a combination of both, really. Salesforce are very set on, like I say, helping CSPs become customer companies. In Comptel, we've got a very similar principle where we've got this, a brand new fulfillment platform that we launched last year, and now this is real innovation for us. So it's going to be either us leading the engagement because we've got a large amount of customers on our platform already, who may be looking for something disruptive in the CRM space. It could be Salesforce-led, who are finding a new prospect, and they're looking to complete the lead to activate process. Or it could well be through an SI who is specialist in integrating either our product or the Salesforce product, and going to market that way, really.
And for those of folks who may not know Comptel that well, can you perhaps give a kind of an elevator pitch of your size and scope of operations today?
Yeah, so Comptel's a global organisation. Obviously, we've got three core functional areas around fulfillment and the whole fulfillment stack. We've also got the whole control and charge piece, which is all about mediation, policy control. We've got a big customer base on both of those. We've got about 285 customers at the moment using those platforms. But then sometime about 18 months ago, we acquired an analytics company. So over the last 12 months, really, we've been integrating that analytics offering into our portfolio. And one of the other areas that we're talking about here at the show this week is how the analytics can play in, I suppose, combining with the fulfillment and the mediation stories to give a smarter operations perspective on contextual intelligence for telco. So that's really the angle that we're playing.
Well, thanks for joining me in Nice at this year's 2013 TM4 Management World. Thanks, Dave.
Okay, thanks, Jeff.
I want to make sure we get that in versus the dodgy bar part.
That curtain was